I find inspiration absolutely everywhere. I'm always saying you never know what's right around the next corner. The best advice I've ever been given is be true to who you are.
Expectations are very high.
When it comes to reimagining our own lives, it's so critically important to take risks. You've got to throw the dice. I was a teacher for 29 years and had recently turned 50, and pow, a whole new threshold was presented to me.
Wow.
So, who knows? Never assume. Let's do it. I still can't believe I have my own television show. You were the clear winner tonight. I walk through life pinching myself constantly.
Make it happen.
Around here we say make it work. Life has never looked better. The real possibilities are endless.
Keep watching Project Runway Under the Gun on Lifetime. Brought to you by AARP. Real possibilities.